Upgrading your laptop's RAM is one of the easiest ways to breathe new life into your machine. And today we're looking at the ATEC 32GB DDR4 SATA module specifically designed for a range of Lenovo ThinkPads. This module is compatible with models like the E15 Gen 4, both AMD and Intel, L14 Gen 3, AMD, P14 Gen 3, Intel, T14 Gen 2, AMD, and T16 Gen 1, Intel. This ATEC module offers a significant boost with its 32 GB capacity. It operates at a speed of 3,200 MHz, PC4-25600, ensuring snappy performance for demanding tasks. It's a DDR4 SODIMM, which is the standard for laptops, and features the typical 260-pin configuration. Being non-ECC unbuffered, it's designed for everyday use and gaming, rather than specialized server applications. One of the key features is its adherence to the JEDEC DDR4 standard, operating at a safe and efficient 1.2V. This ensures compatibility and prevents overheating, crucial for maintaining the longevity of your laptop. The primary benefit of upgrading to 32 GB of RAM is the noticeable improvement in multitasking. Users can run multiple applications simultaneously, work with large files, and handle demanding software without experiencing slowdowns. This is particularly beneficial for professionals who rely on their ThinkPad for tasks like video editing, graphic design, or software development. Installation is straightforward. ATEC designed this RAM for easy home installation. While they recommend consulting your system's manual for specific seating and channel guidelines, the process generally involves removing the old RAM module and inserting the new one into the SODIMM slot. No special tools or expertise are required. ATEC backs this memory module with a limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind. They also have a tech support team available to assist with any questions or issues before and after your purchase. This level of support is a significant advantage, especially for those who are new to upgrading their laptop's RAM. In conclusion, the ATEC 32GB DDR4 RAM module is a solid upgrade option for compatible Lenovo ThinkPad models. It offers a significant performance boost, is easy to install, and is backed by a reliable warranty and support team. If you're looking to enhance the performance of your ThinkPad, this ATEC module is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.